Beenieman, you're king of the dancehall when you come out of your mother belly. Remember that. Respect your honor. You me and you a birth specialist. I'm a first number one.
Wait there. Why really are going? You don't know, media facts, You see me, I only talk facts around here. You see me? I don't see what I go on in the media already. You see me? I want to see what I go on the video, yeah. I be things are going. Be a big war going over kingship and who are the king and is what I'm trying to say? Beenieman, Kartel, Bounty coming at the mix. You see me? One at the time, I'll King Yellow Man forward in and like him give up or something, but people, may I tell you, this the king thing I come like some joke thing, may I tell you. A real joke thing this. You see me? Yeah man, so we really have to talk about that situation, I know if I'm with him, I really drop no video and thing and you see me? Just come off a vacation, but yeah man, see the king thing I go on at the media, we really have to talk about it. Is what I try to say? Yeah man, I have to talk about it, man. So see a little thing, Kartel I try get the king throne and being want let it go. Cause this is the thing, Beenieman and Kartel, are the same type of personality when it comes to certain things. Is what I try to say. Cause if you look on that video, yeah.
All things between you and
Oh, I did them man not loyalty to nobody. Them I did not chat. Me and him must talk 2 times for him be a prison. Me and him talk again after that. Because me get to realize where I deal with.
Yeah.
I deal with him not deal with we. See it? This they are me right now. Yes, I'm there. Yeah, them see the last interview him get on TV, him say me are the man right now and them for know say Vybz Kartel I run the thing right now. So there's a theme thing there. It's about Vybz Kartel, it's not about nobody else. So a man could get up and say, I'm my king I dancer. So, yeah, what?
I think I'm going nowhere. And that's just the truth.
Yeah, mad, you know what's not.
No, but as I said, if you do the math, so you add it up and that to the work.
Yeah, when I was you're dead, man.
Yeah? Yeah, man, the king can, farmer king can still alive,
farmer, not there, son.
Them D-tune.
Farmer, one king, one D-tune this. Yeah, mad, man. You get?
See there? Beenieman I say, yo, the man Kartel usually talk and look like the man go behind him back and I try to take away the crown from him. You see me? But this are the thing. Because we see Bounty forward out and man put up something say, yo, you have busy signal the turf king and move out of the goalie king and you don't know Kartel. The Gaza king. You see what I try to say? So Bounty said them man a fee king them in a feed them way. You see me I say? So that now the Gaza fans them now them feelings and I say what this Bounty I try do and I try lily up Kartel thing and very and bro, this king thing come like some picnic thing like. Cause the king thing it not really hold nothing, it not hold nothing. You see me I like say it's a Grammy. It's nothing like international, nobody not really admits it. You see me? Being a crown king, you see me? But it look like it better than the trademark it to cause it's a king thing I come like anybody can say them a king nowadays. You know I will no wait. You see me? Yeah man. But the thing I have to say still, especially with Kartel. First of all, Kartel should not even have forward out of prison and really even dwelling at the king thing because you don't really have the accolades yet. Like Kartel don't really dominate dancehall on a stage platform for dominate dancehall like in the real way yet. Him keep him show where there. Yeah, him get a turnout and whatsoever and thing, but all of that I don't know. You see me? It's like you get a job and as a little regular work and you want on supervisor fast as you reach in there and you see me, do no work, show nothing. You see me, cause remember Beanie, all of them artists are tour the world and represent dancehall and thing. Kartel don't really get for do that yet. You see me? Him don't really get for do that yet because if him did their prison same way, nobody will not talk about this king thing and Ray. Is what I try to say because I realize them I use this 13 years thing and this internet maneuver thing, bro. Like, come on, like musically right now Kartel really do anything, just the internet controversial part of it and and the little drama thing, like, yeah, I have some upcoming shows where I'm gonna do, cause remember, you know, the man in perform for about 13 years, you know, so we expect say he might have a lot of shows booked and people are gonna book him, but we don't actually see the damage when he do out there in the world. You know, so when him there road, him doing a little Jamaica, him there in a Caribbean place. Him usually go US back then, but not really nothing where damaging, you see me? And usually go UK and them places, but we are talking about now. No, we are talking about. You see me? Because right now, to me, they might put pressure on him right now with this king thing. Because suppose him go out there in the world and for dominate and we know say him not 200. You see me? And then now, when you check it, him can't manage. What now go do? Because if you look on that video here, Zine, Bounty post up a video. Zine and with Shawn Paul. Shawn Paul had one look like Singapore, or, you see me? Mash up a place in a stadium there and thing. And we don't know say Shawn Paul I do it big. You see me? Kartel can't size up to Shawn Paul level. We all know that, and that's facts. We can't go around that. Shawn Paul way past Kartel when it comes to success and everything. Yeah, we know say Shawn Paul sign, and you know the other fans are say Kartel independent, but Shawn Paul are the way bigger. See, but if you realize Shawn Paul not really pre the king thing. You see me? Him just want to be great. He's what me can tell you know. Oh, that dancehall go on a Jamaica and a local, you know. It's like he can easily buy out. Like you say if you not link up with a couple DJs, they are so buy some man thing, so buy this, buy that. Nobody now go give that respect there. You see me? Nobody now give no flowers. If you know, I buy them this or link with this or money or rare. Is what me try to say. I saw the dancehall place stay. You see me? Easy for buy out. You see, for Kartel forward out, you might buy beer liquor in a club and for champagne popping and every little thing. In the round, so in the round, the same day, so. So right now, when it come to the king thing now, everybody are gonna try disrespect Beenieman thing now. You see me? Yeah, the man must say, he show a bounty post. The man must say, yo, that ain't nothing. The guys, the man must say, yo, that ain't nothing. You see me? And I look on it, I say, bro, I'm really sick in on the head. Because Kartel not reach the level yet. So I don't fear say, I know nothing. The one little big show, when do a yard in a stadium, the local stadium when you compare it to other stadium bigger than this. Out in a world where man are dominate. You see me? So, all of this thing now, we Bounty go post up now. Make man them gone to them feelings, you know, brother. You see me, and man them start this up Beanie, because the reason why people are talking about, yo, Beanie this and Beanie that, you know. You see me? It's because man must say, yo, Beanie no boss no youth and where. But a man can give words same way. Encourage man same way, inspire man same way, brother. But him no might come out there, the people who him do that to me, you know. Too rare, you see me? We can't just make Beenieman dash a Beenieman thing so. Because a man forward from prison after 13 years. And the internet a repost him and every little thing. You see me, Beenieman a do it. You see me? Beenieman a do it. From a long time, about 40 years now, Beenieman a do it. You see me? Beenieman tour the world, represent dancehall real rap and platform. Like, when Beenieman go out there in the world, they must say, yo, a Beenieman this. You see me? Kartel not do them something yet. We don't know that already. You see me? Me wouldn't call Kartel king of dancehall. Because he don't really do anything to say, yo, king of dancehall. Like, yeah, you can give him the king locally. Yeah. Jamaica, yeah, you can give him that. But the way how me see him as king, yes, like real, the king of drama and the king of controversy thing. You see me? We can give him that. You see me? We can give him that. Like the king of make things sell. You see me? The influence on the youths. You see me? We can say that, but him not go out there in the world yet. We don't see Kartel on a world stage yet. You see me? We don't see him on a world stage. And people are going to say, you're a bad mind and Ray. I'm not bad mind, I just facts. You see me? We can't put feelings in the music. You see me? I just facts. And first of all, this king thing, if you come down now, you see me? If you really come down now, because too much people are war over this. And sometimes man them we are war over it. Them not reach. Look on Shawn Paul. Right now, Shawn Paul, if you ever say, yo, Shawn Paul are the king, you can't say nothing about that. You can't say nothing about that. Because Shawn Paul show over the years say him are the king. The man had dominate. Platinum and everything. Grammy. Everything the man have. The man had performed some stage in front of some people. Yo, you say, yo, but what? You know why them not to pre-Shawn Paul away there? As me say, because Shawn Paul nah link up with them in a them circle and they on the corner with them. You see me? That's why. You say Shawn Paul in the street and them there, yes, and them there, Uptown Mondays, them there, Boom Sundays, and them look at something there on a regular basis. Then maybe would I say, yo, wait, but them nah do that. You see me? Them nah do that. And to Kartel forward the road now. After 13 years, which we know that, we know people are gonna say, yeah. World boss their road and where is what me I try to say. We understand with that. Him don't take the title to say my world boss. So him should just stick with that. You see me? Him should just say my world boss and stick to that title. But if you're on Beanie, you usually talk. And then you go behind him back and say, yo, Ray. You can't really say nothing for Beanie pre and thing. You see me? But Kartel for real they got for this king thing right now. Because you shouldn't, when you forward the road, you do your show, you shouldn't have focus on your show them. Because you have a lot of show under your belt where you have to go do. You see me? You shouldn't have prepare for that, prepare for how you have to work the stage, your breathing control and every little thing, bro. Because this is a different level. Out in the world you're going to win. And Jamaica this way we save you with biasness. You see me? Yeah, and we don't want to see out there in the world that dominate dancehall and end up pop yourself a ground or you see me or any emergency rush off of the stage. Is what I try to say. Should I not focus on that, man? King thing nah help you. What king thing I got do for your career now? Nah, I don't know. King thing not really hold no weight. You understand? You not really hold no weight. Like, you see me? You know, that's why when the king thing bring up, that's why you have the back and forth. Because you don't reach a level there yet. You see me? You don't reach a level yet. And that's just facts. You know, that's why you see the back and forth with the king thing, nothing can stick. When it comes to kingship and you, because you don't reach a level yet. And that's why Beenieman, I say, yo, you're not ready yet. You see me? Him see that. We all see that. But you know your fans are gonna say, yo, ready and you see me, because you don't know your sheeps and work already. You see me? But you can't take nothing from your same here. You have some bad song out there. You have a good catalog and them little thing there. But the kingship thing, brother, you better you just low that. You see me? Just low that, cause at your age right now, you don't reach an accolade say, if you say, yo, king the real way, and we don't know how long you can manage. Because you have a long way to go, bro. 13 years missing out of the performance and world domination thing, bro. You have a lot to catch up on, brother. Beanie don't do that, Shawn Paul don't do that. All of them man, them Movado, Busy Signal, them do it. You see me, them a do shows and Ray and Tay, brother. So my time, the way them talk, or people talk about Kartel to the bomba, so my time is like, me I wonder if him there prison or him there road. You see what I try to say? I have to wonder some my time. Because, brother, Kartel did lock up. You see me? Him did lock up, so I don't know how come when him father road now this king thing. I don't understand. Because I'm not doing no, if you're a king, the way you see a king, better you did say yo. Better you did say yo, you're a king for Jamaica. But we know king thing as world domination thing. So we know king for dancehall. Once MCU step out there in the world, they must say, look here, are the king for dancehall this. You see me? But this king thing now for wash up, man. Done with this, man. This a joke thing this now, man. Everybody for focus on try propel the place and elevate the music out there in the world right now. This king thing a joke thing right now. For internet and social media come take over right now. King thing for joke, man. You see me? But people, you don't know, you know. Just like, share and subscribe same speed. You see me? You don't know me the facts and talk facts. We not talk trash. You see me? And this is my take on the situation we are going. Cause it don't even look good, brother. And them man are elder, brother. Cuss over kingship and them. A joke thing this. Yeah, people, you don't know. I hate this. You see me? Bless up.